So if you land on this video, it's because you want to know about Copy Pro trades and want to see some real live results. And I'm going to show it to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? It's Kwan, money mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today I'm going to share with you Copy Pro traders and the actual live trade results. So we're going to get into everything. We're going to get into what the site's all about, what you can come to expect, and, just everything, the good, the bad, the ugly. And we're going to do it in real time, showing my account. Okay, because I like documentation beats conversation. So I want to show it through me. Then that way you can kind of expect what will happen with you when you sign up. All right, so let's just dive right in. So what you're looking at right here is the Copy Pro Trader site. Now, the one thing I love about the site so far is that it's very, very simple to navigate through. Okay, so let's just go through it all. So right here, we can go into your exchange set. First, let's go through the traders. So right here, you got the traders, right? These are trades you can pick. Now, right now, one of the most accurate that a lot of people are using is Duha right here. Okay, she has been accurate. She has been like 30 to 40%. She goes for 2% gains per trade, but she's been over that. It's been more like 2.8. And I think that this month right here, March 2021, she's actually 2.9 as we speak. So she's over what she's aiming for, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my dashboard and let's just go through, show you how easy it is to hook this up to your exchange. Now, first and foremost, your money is in your account. Let me stress that again. Your money is in your account. This isn't one of those situations where you're putting your money into a company and then it has to sit in there for some weeks or some months to mature. You're getting a percentage every day, and then one day the company disappears, and guess what else disappears? All of your crypto. So I don't believe in those type of programs, and that's the reason why I love this one, because the money's actually on your exchange. So right here, what they do is they just tap into the API of Kraken. Okay, you can use Kraken, you can use HitBTC, you can use Binance, and you can use KuCoin. So right now, I actually use my Kraken account. As you can see right here, they go to a Kraken API. And right here, you see that we have a balance of $100. Now that $100 is the full balance. I actually deposit $1,000 into this account, and the $100 what she actually trades. Now, $100 is per trade. I can always up that. I can always lower that. The minimum that they suggest right here, as you can see, is $52. So $52 what you can trade. I'm doing 100 right now per trade. Okay, I started off with 52, and then I actually updated that. Another thing that's cool is they use Tether, which is USDT. Basically, it's not a coin that fluctuates like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I could put $10 in, and then in minutes, not even minutes, seconds, $10 can turn to $5. You're like, whoa, what happened? Well, you don't want that happening while you're trading, right? You don't want to be trading and make $100 profit only to see that $100 turn to $50 or $20. So what they do is every time they close a trade, it closes on USDT. That way your money stabilizes and it stays the same, because that's usually pretty much dollar for dollar right there, right? So it stabilizes. Then you can turn over to Bitcoin when you're ready to withdraw. When you're ready to transfer out. Okay. So that's how you hook it up. Now, as you can see, again, remember I told you, very simple. Look, one page. Look at three easy instructions to follow, and you're up and running. Okay, so these are your 3 settings, and that's it, and you're up and running. It's really, really that simple. You're just getting a Kraken API key, getting the Kraken secret code, putting them both right there, and you're off to the races. All right. So once you do that, then you're gonna actually start trading. Now, here go my trade history, just to show you that it's real, and these are really being traded in real time. All right, so right now it's actually the 7th, and you can see that it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades have already been taken today so far. Now, again, remember, she's not going to be going for, these are swing trades, okay? Also, these aren't scalping, which is, if you don't know what that is, scalping is when you're just trying to come in, make money fast, and get out. Well, swing trade, you could be in, maybe a few minutes, maybe a few hours, maybe a few days, whatever it takes to close out. So basically, she's not really trying to close until you're in the money, unless you just way out, and then she's got to accept that loss. But if that's not the case, and she can see that it's going to have some type of retracement, or it's going to go back to the top side, then she's going to wait it out. Okay, so these are the trades that were taken so far. As you can see, lots of buys and sell orders. And you can look at the dates over here to the left and see that they're coming in every single day, okay, which is also awesome and cool. Then let's see what this looks like from my Kraken account. Because remember, this is 100% attached to my Kraken. So when she takes a trade, it takes a trade in your account, okay? Real simple. Not complicated at all. The nice thing about that is, though, let's say something was to happen to the company. Let's just say they go down. Let's just say things aren't working as we thought they would. They disappear. Well, your money don't disappear. Your money is always sitting in your Kraken account. Okay, so this is the Kraken account. This is a legitimate exchange. Okay, you can go look them up and see and do your own due diligence. As you can see right here, this is my account balance. I actually started off with 1,000. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be documenting my progress with this from our whole journey. So right here, it is March 7th, 2021. We're going to see what this looks like in a week. We're going to see what this looks like in a couple of weeks. We're going to see what this looks like in a month. Shoot, if everything keep going like they're going, we're going to see what it look like in a year. All right. And that's going to be the ultimate documentation, being all conversation, because you're going to see it. You're going to see where I started. I should have actually did this video when I first put the 1,000 in, but it's okay. Because, like I said, you're going to see it from this point forward. So I start off with 1,000. Okay, as you can see, we up $75. Of course, this number can go up, it can go down. Because right now, what you're looking at is these are open trades that we're actually in right now. Okay, so these are the trades that she took, and we're in them. They're live. So you see this one's down, but these ones are all up. So when she closes these out, this number is going to go up. This balance is going to go up as soon as these close out. Since these are actively running, that's the reason why this balance has not changed. Okay, it's staying at the 1074. But as soon as these close out, this number is going up. Like, for instance, if she was to close out right now, look, this is already a couple of $100 right now worth of profit. So this would end up turning to 272. You know what I mean, right here. Okay, so that lets you see just how and she's not even cashing out yet. Like, so I mean, she doesn't see it's time to cash out, right? She's gonna cash out, like I said, when she's at the best position. And the nice thing about this trader is actually trading on her own account $3,000 to $6,000 to trade. So what I like about that is that means she's vested. Like, she has her own money at stake. She's not just here taking trades on your behalf, and then if she lose, oh well, because she ain't had no skin in the game. So that is one of the great things. And then now here at the ledger, just like the other one, you can see tons of trades that have been taken. I mean, look, days and days all the way to page 10, just tons and tons of trades that have been taken. Okay. You can also see right here fees and trade balance. We've already traded $3,431 worth of volume and fees. So you can already see right here from your Kraken account exactly what's real, what's not. And of course, I can withdraw this money at any time, okay, because this is my live exchange. So I don't ever have to worry about being at the mercy of, the company. So that's another thing that's great. Now, another thing that's nice about the program is while you're earning from your trades, you can also earn from recruitment. And I like the fact that it's simple. Again, it's not complicated, okay? So you get $21 for your referrals, which you'll go into right here, show you what that looks like. So you go into you get $21 for your referrals. Then that's on the first level, okay? Then on the second level, you get $7, and then and then you can get paid down seven generations. Now, the other thing that's nice about this is the fact that if you become a top recruiter, like a top marketer, I forgot what they call it. I think that's what it is, the top recruiter then all you have to do is you got to recruit 14 people, okay? And those 14 people have to get 5. And once you have that, then you become top recruiter until someone else takes that spot. And what that's going to allow you to do is get $10 instead of $7, infinite. So imagine that, all the way down. Now you're getting 10 instead of the 7. But just to show you just how lucrative the 7 and the 21 can be. Okay, so right here you see I put in 50 personals. Then we got 43 on my second, 67. They beasting over here on the third, but not converting as high as these, but still nice. So over here you can see I converted almost half, or actually half of the amount of people I bring in. Not bad conversion rate either, right? Thank you. But as you can see, I've converted half, right? So these 25, what is that? 25, 30. 7. All right, so just that little bit right there, right? Look what that has already earned me as far as revenue. So we come over here, we can go over commissions. And again, that's why I love that everything is just simple, straightforward, straight to it. So let's copy this right here. That's what we've made so far. Okay, and as you can see, available BTC for withdrawal. So I can withdraw my commissions live, which I am going to do in another video that I've been letting it accumulate, so I can actually do this in real time and you guys can see it. But as you can see right here, I can withdraw, which is the other nice thing is all payments are instant. So when a person makes a payment, it is instantly in your back office, in your account. Okay, so let's go see how much that is. And I think I've already done it, but let's go see again. There it is, $745.57. And we're just getting started. So now I've secured a residual income because this is going to come next month and a month after that. And you know what? The company just announced, this is even more awesome. The company have just announced that unless you are in profit, they will not be rebilling you prior. So I believe this is going into effect next month, and that is going to be huge, right? Huge, because now you literally can be back here, let it work for you, and if you're not in profit yet, then you're not even getting charged. How cool is that? So here's the breakdown to the affiliate program right here. And as you can see, again, straight to the point. See, how many times have you joined a company and it's got all these different, get this percentage of this and 10% of that and 3% of this and 2% of that. But at the end of the day, you don't know what you look like. It looks like someone just threw up on the page, right? Not here. As you can see, very, very simple. Every sale of monthly subscription generates different commissions that are available to affiliates once the subscription is confirmed. Commission processing is in real time per subscription. There are 1 direct commission, 6 direct commissions, 6 indirect commissions, and 1 top affiliate commission. So that's the one I was telling you about. The only qualification is to have an active account with Copy Pro Traders. Subscription renewals will also pay the same commissions that are paid in Bitcoin at the stated rate below in USD. So let's just go and break it down, because again, 1 page info, right? 2 pages top, right there. And then right, that page ain't nothing. This page right here. So direct commissions for each subscription that you sell. You receive a 21 commission known as a direct commission. You make unlimited first generation sales and referrals. So you can go wide as you want. 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. There's no limit to how many 21s you can get. Your indirect commissions, which basically your secondary. So that's it. You put somebody in, and then that person that they put in, the people that they put in, those are called your indirects. That's your second level. Okay. So making the second subscription sale will unlock levels 2 through 7. Okay. So you only need 2 sales. So 2 sales unlocks 2 through 7. For a $7 indirect commission, as well as commission compression. Compression occurs when an affiliate is no longer active. We pay the next active affiliate in line of sponsorship, effectively paying out all available commissions. So you put somebody in, okay, and then they put 3, 4, 5 people in, and then they decide to quit, which I wouldn't understand why, but they decide to quit. Well, guess what? Them 3 people, boom, became your personals now. You know, how cool is that? Top affiliate infinity bonus. Now this is where it gets sweet. This bonus commission is paid out to people that qualify by having at least 15 current subscribers that have also enrolled at least 5 subscribers each. It is a $10 bonus given to the first top affiliate in the line of referral sponsorship, regardless if the sale occurred directly or indirectly or any indefinite number of generations in the network. In other words, it can turn a 21 direct commission into 31. A $7 commission into 17, or be a $10 commission from a subscription sale from any level from the first affiliate ranking top affiliate. So the nice thing about this is, again, you have that spot, and then let's say somebody else in your team starts kicking butt, taking names, and then they hit that spot, then they get up and get to reap those same rewards. So it won't just be someone always just at the top taking it, and no one else can take it now. That person is already there, which is cool. Okay. So a definition of an active affiliate is any affiliate or member that generates at least one sale, one referral. An affiliate is any person that chooses to participate in the Copy Pro Trader compensation plan and has earned at least $600. They have agreed to abide by the Copy Pro Trader terms and use of this affiliate compensation plan. Affiliates must comply with all terms of use and must never guarantee any income claims or guarantee income based on trading. This is grounds for immediate and permanent termination. Affiliate ranks include affiliate, affiliate plus, and top affiliate. Okay, so basically, just do everything the right way. You know what I mean, so we can be here for a long, long time. Now, I forgot to say this earlier, so let me say it now. Okay, past performance is no guarantee of future results. All right, so let's just put that out there. And now we got that disclaimer out the way. Well, let's get back to business. So again, everything's easy, user-friendly, super easy to navigate through, easy to set up. I was able to set up my account within 30 minutes tops, and that's including the transfer money over to the exchange and cracking. I mean, just everything from beginning to end. This was completely set up in 30 minutes. If you already have a cracking account, it's going to be set up in less than that. Be honest with you, it's going to take you more time to go through your KYC and get verified on cracking, but then it does to set this all up. Okay, so that's the nice part. Again, this is easy to follow. It's UB friendly. It's only $99 a month, so you're not breaking the bank. All the money that you have in your cracking account is in your cracking account. It never can be taken out or manipulated or transferred by someone else other than you. Also, which is a great thing, is the company just announced that if you ain't in profit, then you don't repay the $99 a month. That's going to be awesome. A lot of changes is coming down. The company's only 3 months old as we speak, and it's already doing well. So this is a very cool, like I said, opportunity that I got a part of. I'm definitely going to be keeping you guys, in the loop of what's going on from my results. I'm going to document everything. So just follow me, follow what we got going on. So if you haven't already done so, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified when I do these videos, and that way you can actually follow this journey along with me. Okay. So this is the program. This is what we have to offer back here. Again, if you want to get started, see what it's all about, then you can definitely get started with us, or you can just keep following me and watch what I do, and then if you feel more comfortable to jump in yourself, then you can definitely do so as well. I'll be putting a link below the video, so that way you can actually get started if you're interested in getting started. And it'll also break down some more social proof. It'll show you how to actually set up your account, also as well as what this company is all about. Like, we want a full overview. So if you need a full overview, or if you just need some more social proof, or if you need to set up your account, or you need all the above, I got you covered. All right. So just hit the link below and you'll see it get started, and we'll get you going. All right. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you have. All right. I appreciate you. See you on the next one. Again, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. Okay. Again, appreciate you. See you on the next one. Follow my journey, because it's just the beginning. Till then, have a blessed day.